Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to use the IKEA kitchen planner. So if you're interested and you're a beginner to IKEA kitchen planner and you want to be able to know exactly how to use it, well then this tutorial is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do first is to just click right here where it says start designing, as you can see. So just click here because then you should be taken to a place very similar to this. So as you can see, their first question is going to be like this: which extractor hood type do you prefer? As you can see, uh, like integrated right here, or sorry, actually, I think this step right here, I did this step before, sorry. So as you can see, the first step is actually oven right here. So where would you like to place the oven? As you can see, either like this under the worktop or in a high cabinet, as you can see. So in here, this is the first choice that you're going to make. I think this one actually looks better, so I'm just going to take in a high cabinet right here, as you can see. And then we can also click on choose both, by the way, for some reason, but yeah, that's also like available. And when you're done, you have made the choice, as you can see, you can just click right here. And in here, as you can see, which extractor hood type do you prefer? Integrated, as you can see, or wall ceiling mount. I think integrated is better in my opinion, and I'm just going to click right here and then click on choose, as you can see, and it actually asks us which type of fridge freezer do you prefer, freestanding or integrated. I think integrated is much cooler in my opinion. I'm going to choose this one. So which layout suits you best? I shape, double side, L shape. So this is for the kitchen, obviously. I think L shape is the best in my opinion, so I'm going to take this one. Going to click on choose. As you can see, here is all the summary. Now we're going to click on define your space right here. We're just going to wait a couple of seconds for him to actually design our kitchen right here. As you can see, enclosed kitchen space. So we're going to actually, I can just choose this one right here. So as you can see in here, we are now taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So as you can see on this page right here, we can zoom in, zoom out. As you can see, we can even click on the 3D right here, and we can view the room in 3D design, which is perfect. So as you can see, this is our yeah, this is how we start basically. And now we can click on elements. As you can see, we can click on structures right here. As you can see, we can have box objects if you want to. You can have columns, column square, as you can see, and stuff like that. So this is all possible, just so you know. And if you want to be able to go back, you can just click right here, as you can see, and it will just remove everything right here. So very, very perfect, as you can see. And also openings, if you want to be able to add windows as an example. So we can add a window right here and a window right here as an example. Let's see how it looks like in 3D. So it looks like this right now perfectly. So now we can just actually click on elements here again. As you can see, heating, it gives us heating here, radiator, as you can see, ventilation and fittings right here. We can even click on search. Let's see if we can actually get anything, for example, kitchen. No, okay. Heating. Okay, it gives us 0 results right here, which is very interesting. Let's check water supply. So as you can see, place your water supply. Let's place it right here as an example. Let's check how it looks right now. Yeah, it looks basically the same right here. I guess we just added water supply. Actually, let's take it this way instead. Let's see. Yeah, perfectly. As you can see, we can just click on continue now. Don't remove. Skip suggestions for now. So as you can see, now we can actually start adding our kitchen things right here. So you can see cabinets for corner, as you can see. For example, this one right here, if you want to be able to add this one right here, we can also play around. We can add this one. We can add like this. You can just play around with this one, obviously, how you like. You can even add your appliances right here, your fridge, your freezer, as an example, can be here. Let's see what they have more. Appliances right here, your oven right here. So we can have your oven. And if you want to be able to move it, you can just click on it and just move it to whatever you want to be able to move it to, of course. Let's click on appliances once again. Let's have a microwave, or it doesn't actually have it for some reason. Microwave oven. Oh, here it is. So this one is a good one. Maybe we can have it somewhere see if we can actually, oh, it is possible to just drag it down. Let's just going to see if we can actually drag it down here instead. Yeah, something like this as an example. Sorry if it looks bad, I know, but I'm just showing you exactly what there is for you here to choose, of course. So for example, this one right here, let's see if we can actually, I don't know if we can remove it like this. Let's check it out. Oh, here it is. It's here now. So I'm just going to click on remove here, obviously. So yeah, perfectly. As you can see, now we have some things in our kitchen right here. It doesn't look perfect. I'm sorry for that, but we're just playing around. You can even click on dining right here. As you can see, up to 2 seats, and you can add them in here exactly how you want them to be. So for example, in here, there's also kitchen extras, as you can see. For example, trolleys, yeah, different types of like storage in here, as you can see, that you can use if you want to. Let's have one right here, just randomly. Let's click on appliances once again. Let's now click on dishwasher. Let's see, a dishwasher right here might be good. So perfectly, as you can see, we have something in our kitchen now. So actually, let's remove this one. Let's click on appliances once again. Now we're going to click on combi oven and have it like this. So we can have our oven right here. Let's actually move this one right here a bit and move this one a bit here. Now it's starting to look a bit better, I guess. I mean, it's not perfect. It's far from perfect. I'm sorry for that, obviously, but it's fine. Like it's a good start. Actually, we have 2 of those now, so I'm going to click on this one and click on remove. So now we're going to click on appliances once again. Click on, we're going to have, let's see, an oven. Oh, sorry, we had that one also. I'm going to remove it once again. Click on appliances. Let's see, a fridge. That is a good thing to have, obviously. Let's take this one. And this one, actually, we can fit. Let's have it right here. Let's have actually 2 of those ones. So 2 of these fridges right here. Click on cabinets. For sink, let's have a sink right here. Obviously, we need to have a sink. Yeah, here it is now. Let's see if we can move it somewhere. Let's see. We can do like this. Can we move it here? Or even actually here? Let's just play around. I don't know if this actually fits. I don't think it fits, but we were going to try. Oh, it does. Oh, perfect. As you can see, now we have a sink here as well. Would be better if we actually have the sink more centered to the window. So let's move this one and take this one here and have this one here. So we have oven now. We have a microwave. I think it did this one. Yeah, microwave, oven. I mean, this one looks horrible. I'm just going to remove this one for now. So our fridge is here. Our sink is here. Our dishwasher, I think this one was integrated dishwasher. Yeah. And this is our oven right here. So let's click on appliances here once again. So as you can see, this is all like things that you can play around with and basically, yeah, like design exactly how you want to be able to actually have it. So as you can see, here is some hubs that we can use. Click on appliances once again, click on oven. Let's see what they actually have here. Yeah, just this one's right here. And by the way, a cool thing about this is that you will be able to see your total cost like up here as well. So for example, right now it's at £4,000, as you can see. And when you're done with everything, you can click on save right here, for example. You need to have your own account to be able to save a design, or you can just click on continue here if you want to be able to basically check out. But this is exactly how to use this software right here, or their like system right here, to design your own kitchen.